Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic for beginners. We are talking about our daily routine.
Good morning, Lily. Good morning, friends. A daily routine is what we do every day. It is the sequence of our activities from morning until night.
That is right, Max. Knowing how to talk about your day is very important in English. Max, let's start with you. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Well, on weekdays, I wake up at 7 a.m. I hear my alarm and I open my eyes.
7 a.m.? That is quite early. I wake up at 7:30 a.m. What do you do after you wake up?
I stay in bed for 5 minutes and then I get up. I go to the kitchen and drink a big glass of water.
That is a healthy habit. I get up and immediately make the bed. I like my bedroom to be tidy.
You are very organized, Lily. After I drink water, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and I brush my teeth.
Me too. Brushing teeth is very important. Then I take a shower. I like hot water in the morning. It helps me feel awake.
I prefer a cold shower. It is very refreshing. After my shower, I get dressed. I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt.
I get dressed too, and then I comb my hair. Now, let's talk about the best part of the morning, breakfast.
Oh, I love breakfast. I have breakfast at 8:15 a.m. I usually eat cereal with milk or toast with jam.
I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I usually eat an egg and drink a cup of coffee. I cannot start my day without coffee.
I understand. Coffee is very popular. After breakfast, I check my bag and I go to work.
Do you drive to work, Max?
No, I don't. I take the bus. The bus stop is near my house. It takes 20 minutes to get to my office. What about you, Lily?
I walk to work. My office is very close to my apartment. I start work at 9 a.m.
I start work at 9 a.m. too. I sit at my desk and I check my emails. I am very busy in the morning.
I teach English classes. I talk to my students and we practice grammar. At 1 p.m., I have lunch.
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. I usually go to a small cafe near my office and eat a sandwich or a salad.
I bring my lunch from home. I eat in the office kitchen with my colleagues. We talk and laugh.
After lunch, I go back to work. I finish work at 5 p.m. I feel a little bit tired at 5 p.m.
I finish work at 4:30 p.m. Then I go home. Sometimes I go to the supermarket to buy food for dinner.
When I get home, I relax on the sofa for 30 minutes. I listen to music or I read the news on my phone.
I don't relax immediately. I exercise. I go for a run in the park or I do yoga at home.
You are very active, Lily. At 7 p.m., I cook dinner. I like to try new recipes.
I have dinner at 7:30 p.m. I usually eat fish and vegetables. After dinner, I wash the dishes.
I hate washing the dishes, but I have to do it. Then I watch TV or a movie on Netflix.
I prefer to read a book. It helps my brain relax before sleep.
At 10 p.m., I put on my pajamas. I go to the bathroom again to brush my teeth.
I do that too. Then I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I turn off the lights and I fall asleep very quickly.
I go to bed at 11 p.m. I think about my day and then I sleep.
That is a full day, Max. Friends, look at these pictures of a typical daily routine. They can help you remember the words.
These words are very useful. Wake up, get up, have breakfast, go to work.
Let's look at the clock too. We use at for time. For example, at 7, at 12.
And we use in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. But we say at night.
That is a very important rule. In the morning, but at night.
Lily, what about the weekend? Is your routine the same on Saturday and Sunday?
No, it is very different. On the weekend, I sleep in. I don't wake up until 10 a.m.
Me too. I love the weekend. I don't go to work. I see my friends, or I go to the cinema.
I go to the park and I take photos. I also clean the house on Saturdays.
Cleaning is not fun, but it is necessary.
Max, we should ask our friends about their daily routines.
Yes. Friends, what time do you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast? Do you drink tea or coffee?
Do you work or are you a student? How do you go to work or school?
Please tell us in the comments. We want to read about your day.
Writing about your routine is a great way to practice English verbs.
Verbs like eat, drink, walk, play, and sleep.
If you liked our video about daily routines, please click the like button.
And subscribe to our channel for more fun conversations.
We want to help you speak English every day.
Remember, even if you only learn 5 new words a day, that is a big success.
Practice makes perfect. Talk about your day in English when you are alone.
Say, now I am eating lunch, or now I am going to bed. It helps.
Thank you for watching and listening to us today.
You are doing a great job with your English journey.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.